Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming you have a local admin account and a complete backup of the MDM database and config files. You will need these if rollback is required. Once done, gracefully stop all ManageEngine MDM services and any Java or proxy processes it spawned, because uninstalling while running risks file corruption. Make sure to disable automatic startup so services do not relaunch during removal. Note the ports in use and any dependent integrations so you can reconfigure or remove them later. You now run the official uninstaller or the OS package removal command. This removes core binaries and registered services. After that, manually delete leftover directories such as the install folder, logs, temp files, and any certificates the server used, because installers often leave artifacts. Next, drop or archive the MDM database schema and revoke any service accounts and API keys. Doing this prevents accidental reactivation and closes security gaps. If integrations exist, make sure you finish by verifying there are no remaining MDM services, listeners, or open ports and confirm dependent systems function normally. This ensures a clean state. If you need to restore, use the backups you made earlier and reconfigure integrations deliberately. If something goes wrong, review uninstall and system logs for permission or file lock errors, rerun the uninstaller in safe mode or with elevated privileges, and, if necessary, restore the database. This targeted troubleshooting usually resolves leftover registration or port binding issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.